Good morning, everyone. Today we will discussing about the search in the ACC. For that, I'm just login in the ACC. Now expand the object store and select the object store name on where you want to work. After that, if you are able to see, there is just search options are there. Just open this and see. There are some types of the search. This is the new object search store search, new workflow search, new principal search, and refresh. So, for the normal life in the FileNet, these two search we are using. Firstly, we are talking about the object store search. I have clicked on the object store search. So now you can see there are the some options are visible here. Run, save as. In the action, there is a delete search and the close. And this is a simple view. This is the SQL view, SQL. So he's shown one query. There is a bulk action not there. So we are discussing about the simple view. So firstly, it's shown the class. So what is the class? Means it must be a document class and the custom object class. So both classes documents are shown here. So like that, if you remember the ABC, the last time we have created one class and the account team we also created. Okay. And ABCCO, it's a, component, it's a custom object class. So if I search the document on the behalf of the ABC, I have selected the class of the ABC, selected the class ABC, and in the below section, you can see he's asking for some property details. Mean, are we having any property on where we can put the search? So like that, I am selecting as a document title and on here like query and in the value I am putting as a test because we have created some document with the test name. Okay, and you can see below. These the and or conditions are there. Okay, means if you have the multiple values, then you can apply these things. Okay, below is the property sections. So you can see in the left side there are some property list are shown. Means after clicking on a run button, these properties and these property values will be shown. But you can see by default there is just star is showing here. It means all values should be visible. In the below you can see it's a order by. Order by means we can put any property name. So it's put the order by. It's like a SQL query means it's a GUI mode you can say. Okay, it's maybe the ascending or the descending order, and it's a time limit. Okay, so maybe I search as a test. So let's suppose test document means those document who had name mentioned as a test and test is mentioned inside any document name, document title, and these type have are documents having some lots of the documents are there, maybe thousand and maybe the uh, 20,000 and 50,000 something. So on that time, he based on some time limit. So within the time limit, if the 180 second within how much document he will fetch. So this is the maximum limit of the time, and this is the maximum result is shown on a once time. So 500 documents only will show will uh, you know will be searched in a once time. You can maybe increase this value. That's not a issue. So for now, I'm clicking on a run button. See, there is a one document is there which is starting from the test in the in the document class only. Okay, because in the document class we have created only one document which having the test. Okay, so that's fine. Means if you are searching in the custom object, that's maybe we got the multiple documents. Multiple documents are there. Okay, and okay, after that, there is a one run button that we have used. There is a one save as button are there. So save as uh, means this type of search because in this you can see there is a one class name we have used, one value we have searched. So if we want to show this search, so it's called as a stored search. So now I'm clicking on a save button and it's asking for the document title. Document title means the stored search name. You can put the name as a uh, test doc, test docs. Okay, so I'm clicking on a save. Okay, and if you come back this okay, test document is the save, and now you can close this because now this save and the save as options is going to disable, and I'm clicking on a refresh button. See, after clicking on a refresh, this stored search is shown here. So if in a future, if you want to search any other value, you can say on the same document title on the same class, then we no need to click on again and again store object store search and selecting the class. Just click on this, and it's these things are previously selected only. You need to just change the value. Okay, and that's also if you want to change any filter, then you can also do. If you want to add anything here, then also you can do. And if you want to change anything on there like that, suppose that one field I have, one property I have created, it's a team something. Okay, let me check. Okay, I have not attached this property in the ABC class. Okay, we can okay leave it. So it's asking for the changes is saved. I'm setting as a no. I don't want to save this. And so I'm opening again in the object store search. So on here you can put as a team for the sales team. So in the sales team, if you checked here, search as a team. So see, this team name is shown because team name property it is attached in the sales team class. And on here you can put any filter is equal to greater equal to. If you have any number, then you can put. So we are going with the like, and value as just value as you can say IT I'm trying. Okay, and click on a save. Sorry, click on a run. So see, there is a no object is found within this class. Okay, so I'm searching as a sales. See, one document I got. The class name is a sales team, and document title is a test one sales. Okay, so like this, you can search the documents and create some stored search also. So like that, if I want to save this, then I can. You can say sales team search. Okay, so I'm going to save this. So you can see this is saved now. And if I'm go back and click on a reference, so both search which will visible here. See, okay. So the one thing I need to tell you, see, so this is a simple view because on here you can select the class, on where here you can select the property on where you want to put the values and going to search the document. On here you can put as a SQL, you can say it's a SQL query. The same query you can search in the SQL Server database. There's a one more option, it's a bulk action deletion. Bulk action, not deletion, bulk action means you can means those documents will search here. Okay, like that I click on a search. So you can see this one document is here, but let's suppose there are some multiple document like the 500 documents is came. So if I want to if I want to change anything in the whole 500 documents in a once time, so that's the thing you can achieve here, bulk action. Okay, so in the details we will talk about in a means next session. So I will tell you the more details about this, what you can do here and what you can't do here. Okay, and now I'm going to close this, and you can see there the one more search is here, new workflow search. So if I'm going to click here, it's going to search only the workflow which is creating in the workflow definition class, you can say. Okay, so these are some default values is shown here. Okay, like the what is the connection point, result area is the work item, workflow structure is the workflow roster, default item. These types are shown here. And if you have any property, then we can search and look like the same values means. Okay, so if I'm just clicking on a run, because till that I have not created any workflow. That's why it's showing as a query return no object. Okay, because I have not any workflow is created in my system. Okay, so I'm going to close this. There's a one more search is a principal search. So I'm going to search this. Principal search means it's shown some criteria here. What's the thing is? You can search for the user and group account to copy the object reference available user. So on here you can, if you want, if I have the name like that P8 admin is my username P8. See, it search the user details or the group details. You can see. But the one thing you also need to check what the see this repository I have selected this AD name DC AD structure means ECMAD DC ECM DC com. So you need to select this right thing in the order is the none sort name or the display name you can show here started with or maybe some contain like mans you can put. So what is the my user? This is the my user. So if I'm going to select here, so see, it's going to select this user. Okay, so there is some copy object references there that we will talk in our next session. Okay, but if you want to check the details of your ID, then you can show here. Means if you want to know any username, how many user which is contain the P8, so you can search here. That's also which you can do. Okay. So for now, I'm going to close this. And what the other things are there? Uh, if I'm going to, you can also let's do some batch operations are there. Like do I have select this and there is a batch operations are there. If I'm going to click this, so if you want to delete this store search, then you can delete this. Just click on a batch operations and not a batch operation. Firstly, you need to select this which you want to delete and click on a batch operation. And after that, click on a delete. Okay, and click on a OK after that. There just some two options are visible here: script and security. Okay, this security is the means who can access this store search. Okay, if I'm any name adding here, then means who can access and what the access of we need to give to him and her. Okay, like that he can see the property, he can modify the property. So these types of thing we can achieve here. But if you want to delete this, then just select this. So the first one option I have selected and click on OK. So it's showing this section delete all selected object, continue. Okay. So if you want to continue, then click on OK. So see, it's going to refresh. See, the first option means first store search, which contain the search of the test document, that is deleted now. Okay, so means that's all for this session. So in this session, we achieved how to search the document, how to search the document in the ACC, and how we can save this search. It's called the store search, and if you want to delete the store search, then also you can do. If you want to search any name to check the how many names it's in the AD for this for this name, like that I have searched like the P8, so it's shown the some 3 to 4 names are there. Okay, so this is a workflow search also that we discussed. Workflow search is basically for the search the workflow. It's a maybe the PAF file, pep.paf file. Okay, so these are the principal search on where we have searched the users and the group details. So this is the refresh. It's going to the refresh if we did any changes. So we can refresh and check those. And also the one more thing we have discussed, it's a batch operations. Batch operations. If you want to delete the store search, then you can do by using this. That's all, guys. Thank you, and see you soon.